Good morning, class.
Morning, ma'am.
I am Jerome J. Bailey, and I am your math teacher today. So before we begin with our discussion, may I ask Jedikin to lead the prayer?
Our Father,
Who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, and now you may take your seat. And is there any absent from the class today?
Ma'am.
Okay, very good. Maintain that perfect attendance. So, are you ready for our lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
ma'am.
I guess you're not. So, please stand up for our energizer. You need to energize yourself. So, otherwise, if you will not cooperate, you would not be an energizer. So, first, all you have to do is to shake your hand, right hand, then shake your right leg, and shake your left leg. Count 7 to, okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, very good. Thank you for your
ma'am.
cooperation. So,
energetic, ma'am.
okay, it seems that you are alive now. Let's have a short review or recap from your previous lesson. So, what have you learned, or who among you here still remember the lessons that have been tackled in your high school days or your previous lesson in mathematics? So, Jerican.
Always write down the problem or the given and apply the PEMDAS method in solving mathematical equations.
Okay, so I heard the word PEMDAS. So what does PEMDAS mean? Mr. Dolby, please stand up.
Acronym PEMDAS stands for parenthesis exponent, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. And it is something we will use every time we work with equations.
Okay, thank you. It is good to know that you still remember your lessons or your previous lessons in mathematics. Now, before we formally start our lesson, I will show you a short video entitled Importance of Mathematics in Daily Life. And while watching the video, I want you to take down notes of what you have learned in the video. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here it is.
What's that?
Ma'am.
Boring. That is taught by the wrong person to you. Hello and welcome to Mathogenius. This channel is all about math. So, if you give me 5 minutes, I just want to talk about mathematics. How it is so beautiful and why it is so important. First thing super cool about mathematics is that you won't need any special equipment, millions of dollars or lots of people to see the wonders in math. You just need is your mind. Mathematics is pure. It does not rush or decay. It only needs your mind, your thoughts to make it work. Mathematics goes beyond the real world. But the real world, everything you see, is ruled by it. Mathematics is a universal language. It doesn't matter from where you are, in which country do you live, which language do you.
One eternity later.
What have you learned in the video you have been watched?
The video shows the importance of mathematics in our daily lives and its usefulness because it is universal language.
Okay, thank you. Give him a round of applause. Thank you so much. Yes, it is true that mathematics is crucial in our lives. So for some reason, a lot of people seem to find mathematics boring, and math can often seem like it has no real use in daily life. But when you are going to look around, you'll find out that the world around us contains patterns that are mathematical in nature, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in fact, most people, those who avoid it, could improve their lives greatly by using it. Thus, overall, mathematics is really important in our life. Okay, so since you have a good observation in the video that have been watched, let us have an activity that is related to our this morning. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is an individual activity. So all you have to do is to arrange the jumble words first. It is 1 to 10. Then after that, the words that you have arranged, we're going to search it here. Gets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes this activity. Okay, so timer starts now.
Five minutes later.
Okay, time's up. Okay, so what have you noticed in our activity?
I have noticed that the word that we have been arranged are related or connected to algebra.
Yes, connected to algebra.
Am I
Very
correct?
good. Yes, you get the correct answer. Because today we're going to discuss the algebraic expression and equation. So I have a slide here.
Oh,
Okay, so please read Mr. Jerican.
Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a statement that consists of numbers, variables, operation symbols, and grouping symbols such as parentheses and brackets.
Okay, yes. An algebraic expression is a statement that consists of numbers, take variables, operations, symbols, and grouping symbols such as parentheses and brackets. So a while ago, someone who said that PEMDAS, right? So PEMDAS we can observe it or in an algebraic expression. So what does PEMDAS means again? P for PEMDAS. P for parentheses.
parentheses,
E for
exponent,
exponent.
multiply,
Multiply.
divide,
Divide.
add,
and
subtract.
So the four operations there are the addition, subtraction, what else? Multiplication and
Division.
Addition.
Division.
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 Okay, so right. So that is a part of a algebraic expression, or it is a statement that consists of numbers. Now here I have two examples. Can you give me a differentiation, or how can you differentiate the two examples? Okay, so Mr. What can you say?
Letter A has a variable coefficient and constant, and it's separated by an operation. While letter B, ma'am, the only difference from letter A is that it has an equal sign to indicate that it's an equation. Otherwise, letter A is an example of expression.
Okay, thank you. Yes, the example letter A, it is a algebraic expression. Then the example letter B, equation. Why? Because of the equal sign. So I have a sample here. 4x squared plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. What is it? Is it a algebraic expression or algebraic equation?
Algebraic equation.
Equation. Why?
Because it
Because it
has equal.
Equal sign.
Equal
Okay,
sign.
very good. Now, how about if we will erase this one? What is the answer?
Expression. Algebraic
Expression.
It is just a
expression.
expression. Okay, thank you. Now, since you already understand the difference between expression and equation, we have a definition of terms. So, Mr. Balili, please stand up. What is term?
What is term? Term, it is a building block or component of algebraic expression. It is a number alone, a variable alone, or a product of a number and a variable.
Okay, so if we have a 4x squared plus 5 here, what are the terms here?
4x.
Squared x squared.
2 and 5.
Okay, so there are three
Variable terms.
three terms. Very good. None. Why? Because it has said that a term, it is a building block or component of algebraic expression, and it is a number alone, a variable alone, or a product of a number variable. Okay, so thank you. So 4x squared plus 2 plus 5, there are three terms. Okay, so that's it. So another example. 33x plus 4y. What are the terms here?
33.
33x and 4y.
Okay, thank you. So, clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Loud
another
and clear.
term. So, constant term. Please read. Please turn it again.
Constant term or CT. It is a number alone.
Okay. Constant term, it is a number alone. So, when we say 7 plus 3y, what is the constant term here?
7, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's number alone.
Yes, obviously. Number 7 is just a number alone. How about 3y?
That is
It's
term.
yeah.
3y is a term.
Yes, it is a term. Then,
It's
how can we say that it is not a constant term? It has a what is
Variable.
this? Variable. Very good.
Thank you.
Next is the variable term. Okay, Mr. Please read.
Variable term, it is a term that contains a variable.
Yes. Variable term, it is a term that contains variable. Okay, so from the example, 7 plus, another, 5z plus z plus a. What is the variable?
5G.
5g is a variable.
Variable?
Yeah.
5z, are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes,
How can
ma'am.
you say that?
Because it
Because it contains variables.
Yes, it contains variable.
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 What is this?
Z.
Z. How about a?
constant. It is a constant.
Constant. Very good. So 8 is just a constant because it has no variable. Okay. How about numerical coefficient or NC? Sir, please read.
Numerical coefficient, it is number part of the variable term.
Okay, so when we say numerical coefficient, it is a number part of the variable term. So, I still remember the variable term.
Yes,
When we
ma'am.
say 33y, what is the numerical coefficient there?
33.
33y.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it is a number, a part of a variable.
Of course, because it said in the definition. Yes, 33 is a numerical coefficient of variable
Y.
y. Very good. How about 400,000 x? What is the numerical coefficient there?
400,000.
Very good. So no matter how big or how
Small.
small the number is, all you have to do is to check if it has a variable.
Coefficient.
Otherwise, it is not a numerical coefficient. How about literal coefficient? Mr. Jericho, please read.
Literal coefficient. It is a letter on a variable term.
Okay, so it is a letter
Very
on a variable term. So, what is the literal coefficient of 10xy? 10xy, what is the literal coefficient? X, x, y. Why?
Because it is a variable.
It is a variable. Very good. It is a letter on a variable term. So, if this is a variable term, then x and y is the literal coefficient. How about numerical coefficient? What is the numerical coefficient of 10xy?
10.
10. Very good. Next is the like terms. So like terms, they are terms having exactly the same variables and exponent. Okay, so when we say 3y plus 5y plus 5x, what are the like terms?
3y and 5y is alike terms
Because
because it's
Same
the same variable.
Same variable.
term.
what are the variables given?
Y.
Y. Very good.
Very good.
So 3y and 5y are the
Like term.
like terms. How about 3xy plus 10xy plus 5y squared. What are the like terms?
Y and 10xy.
Very good. Clear?
Clear.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, so last, we have a degree of a term. So, everyone, please read.
It is the highest exponent of the variable, or it is sum of the exponents of the variable in the term.
Okay. It is so very easy because all you have to do is to add the exponent. Okay, so when we have when we say 5x squared y cubed, what is the answer?
5 isn't 5.
5.
Answer.
Why?
Because
Good.
2 plus 3,
All you have to do is to plus the
the exponent
exponent. So the exponent are 2 and
3,
3. So the answer is
5.
5.
5. Very good. Okay, so any question regarding on our topic?
No, ma'am.
Any clarifications? Do you have any clarifications, suggestions?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, since you don't have any questions regarding to our topic this morning, I will ask some questions randomly. Okay, so Mr. Jedikin, what do you think is the difference between algebraic expression and equation? What do you think is the difference between algebraic expression and equation? For me,
For me, algebraic expression is a combination of constant and or variables involving the four fundamental expressions.
for me, ma'am.
For me, ma'am, an expression is a number of a variable or a combination of the numbers, variables, and operation symbols While an equation, it is made up of two expressions connected by an equal sign.
Okay, thank you. So the is it clear? Is it very clear the difference between algebraic expression and equation, Mr. Balili? Is it clear for you?
Yes, and
How about you,
clear.
Mr. Ray?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, seems that you have already understand the lesson. Let us have a final activity. Okay, so this is since you have to answer this activity. You're going to give a 5 example for algebraic expression and 5 example for algebraic equations. So since you already have no questions and you already understand our lesson, okay, so I will give you 10 minutes to answer our activity. Okay, so here's our criteria. I hope you will be guided. The criteria are accuracy 50%, preparation is 25%, timeliness is 15%, neatness or clearness is 10%, the total of 100%. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you may start now. I will give you 10 minutes to answer your activity.
Minutes later.
Time's up. Okay, so everyone, finish or not finish? Present your work here in front. Okay, so tell us your presentation. Yes, present it.
Our example in expression. Expression 3x plus 5, 2xy plus 3, 5 plus 2x squared, x squared plus 5x, 4x plus 4. And the other side is equation. 3x plus 5 equals 0, 2xy plus 3 equals 0, 2x squared plus 5 equals 0, x squared plus 6x plus 6 equals 0, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0.
Okay, let us give you a round of applause for Mr. Ray. Okay, how about you, Jelican? Present your work.
Hari kami.
Okay, so
An expression. First is the per x plus 3. Second, 3x plus 3. And 3 is 2y plus 4. 4. Number 4 is 8x minus 6. And 5 is 7x minus 5. And in equation, there are five examples. 20x plus 2 is equals to 0. 60x plus 0 is equals to 0. Then 3 is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. 4. Then number 4 is 5x plus 5 is equals to 0. Then number 5 is x squared plus 2x is equals to 0. That's all,
okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Let us hear about you.
Oh, I had my proposed answer this day about the expression and the equation. The expression is 7x plus 7, 3y plus 9, 2xy plus 5. The equation is 7x plus 7 equals 0. 3y plus 9 equals 0. And 2xy plus 5 equals 0.
Okay, thank you. Let us give him a little thought. Everyone did a good job. Okay, so give yourself a round of applause. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation. Since you have fully understand the lessons, please get your ball pen and a one whole sheet of paper. Now I'll just give you this one. Here's the first we have the multiple choice. Second, we have a identification, and last is the essays. Okay, 2 points each. Then for essay, we have 5 points each. Okay, so here's your answer sheet. Now I will give you since we don't have enough time, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes, and finish or not finish, submit your work, and it serves as your attendance. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
5 minutes later.
time's up. Okay, so pass your work, finish or not finish, and for your assignment, yes, you have assignment. For your assignment, what you have to do is to find the value of each expression when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to -5. Okay, so 1 to 5 only. Answer it in your one whole sheet of paper or in your A4 band paper, and submit it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much. God bless, and class dismissed.